Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb sitting inside of the GMC Hummer EV. Now, as I record this, we are in the dark. For this purpose of this video, I'm going to be showing you the auto high beams, how to turn it on, and what the real life applications are. So
as I flip us around, auto high beams, they're going to flash to your high beams without you actually pulling that lever to turn on the high beams. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go to this left side stock and you're going to click this button in where it says the A with the high beam. And then it's going to show you right here, the A auto. And that's going to make sure that it's on. Now, if it doesn't see light or, no cars are coming in your way, no lights around it, it'll automatically flicker the high beams on and keep them on until it sees lights or headlights, whatever it might be.
I really enjoy having it because it increases the visibility you can see at night without actually having to turn on the high beams. Even though the high beams are on, you just don't have to make that physical action. And then you see another car coming, you don't have to worry about them being blinded by it because your vehicle automatically notices that there's lights coming and it turns it off. I want to say thank y'all again for watching. Hope you're having a great day. I'll see y'all soon.